Hello, it's Jana here. Today I want to turn these ordinary and plain paperbacks into Christmas ones. The first improvement will be with wrapping paper. I cut out some parts and glue them to the back. I choose a bird and poinsettias, but I'm sure you have different paper, so choose what you like. Maybe you have snowflakes, maybe Christmas decorations, or animals, houses. So cut out something you like and stick it on the back. Next idea will also be with wrapping paper, but I will layer. I will also use such waste, which I will cut as a middle layer. The picture will stand out nicely on it. I will choose one more paper from this craft block. It will be the bottom layer. It will be the largest. To make it a little more interesting, I cut the edges with decorative scissors. You can also use zigzag scissors. And if you don't have such scissors, a straight edge can also be used. The top layer will be my wrapping paper. If you do not see a concrete picture on your wrapping paper, cut out such a rectangle anyway. If it's Christmas wrapping paper, it will be in the theme. Now to glue everything together. I will remove the rest of the glue and stick the last layer as well. Another idea will be houses. I choose gold color, but you can use black, silver, red, green, which one suits you, which one you need or have. I will draw different types of houses, different windows, doors, and decorations. You can design your own houses. Now let's do something even simpler. The white color stands out nicely on the brown back, and I will only make such simple trees. Here and there, some bigger and some smaller. So irregularly like this. And I'll just finish the snow with such dots here and there. And it's done. It's very fast and anyone can do it. Another simple motif will be snowflakes. I draw 3 crossed lines and just decorate them. I draw on each line or between the lines the shapes of the letter V. I will add some small stars, snowflakes, and that's it. On this back will be a house in the forest. First, I will draw a house and then trees around it. I draw trees with simple lines. I will draw several trees to make a small forest. And I'll write Merry Christmas on this back. You can also write something different and also the name of the recipient. And snowflakes must not be missing. Now I will make a bigger inscription in gold. I will highlight, make thicker some parts, and the word joy. Okay, I'll keep writing joy to the world and to you. It's much more personal. Now there will be a change. I took a stamp with notes, a musical score, because Christmas includes music, singing, and joy, especially the joy of the birth of the Savior of the world, Jesus Christ, because he is the central character of Christmas. Now I have to clean it because the next idea is embossing. I will paint the stamp with a special ink pad for embossing and print it on the back. Now I will use pearlescent embossing powder. I need the powder to spread over the entire print. I pour the rest of the powder onto the folded paper and return it to the box. I activate the powder with heat. With hot air, it turns into such a shiny layer. The last bag will be something completely different. I took a gold thread. I will glue it on the bag and put such a natural star on it. This one is made of birch bark. I used strong glue to hold it well. And that's all. Let's see what we did today. I hope you enjoyed it and use these ideas in your projects. Customize everything according to your possibilities. I wish you a beautiful, blessed Christmas. Bye bye.